Have you been trying to get your hair to grow faster? Or have you been looking for a way to have a very long and healthy hair? Then don't worry, because this recipe promotes blood circulation and encourages hair growth. Egg and honey hair mask. The ingredients needed is just egg and honey, and that's all you need for this home regimen. Alright, so if you're wondering the best way in which you can use egg and honey for your hair, then we've got you covered with few simple yet effective natural home regimen and natural home remedy for your hair that you can easily try out at home. Yes, and then bid farewell to hair problems. There are numerous honey masks you can try out, but this one is specifically with egg. So break your egg into a bowl. Most people separate the egg white from the egg yolk, but the egg white and the egg yolk is still quite effective for the hair, so you can use both. So apply honey, add a little bit of honey to it. You can use more than 1 teaspoon. It depends on the volume of your hair and also the length of your hair, so you can decide to increase it to 2, 3. It depends on also the number of egg you use. Is it 1, is it 2? So mix it appropriately. Eggs support hair growth. It has abundant protein which serves as nutrient for hair boosting. It promotes healthy hair. Also, it's very good. It restricts hair loss, so use protein for the hair, which helps in making the hair follicles stronger. It stimulates the scalp and strengthens the root and helps the hair grow very healthy without hair fall. Also, it enhances hair elasticity. Egg yolk has a high lutein which hydrates the hair and keeps it very moisturized, helping the hair to retain length without it breaking. If you have dry hair like my kind of hair, you need this. It keeps the hair very, very healthy. So direction for use: you keep it for at least 20 minutes and enjoy yourself. After, wash it off and you're good to go.